Hey everyone, we're the Globe Guys and we're at Manchester Airport and it's competition time! Yes, that's right, it's competition time here at the Globe Guys, and this is your chance to win some Globe Guys goodies, including one of these very exclusive Globe Guys mugs that you might have seen on some of our videos from around the world, or some business and first class amenity kits. So here at the Globe Guys, we're very privileged and very lucky to have thousands of followers on Facebook, but did you know that we put all of our videos and content directly onto YouTube? So in order to win these prizes, what do you need to do?
All you need to do is, if you are already a Facebook follower to the Globe Guys, then go onto YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and why not hit the bell button as well, because that way you get all the notifications when we drop new videos, and then drop us a message on Facebook with your YouTube contact name or your YouTube account name, and then we'll put your name directly into the draw to win either one of these very exclusive Globe Guys mugs or
a business and first class amenity kit, just like that.
But if you are watching us on YouTube and you want to subscribe to us straight away, then you can get involved as well. So hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button as well, remember, and then that way you just need to message us on YouTube with your YouTube account name, and then we'll enter you into the draw as well.
Look at this! So if you want to win, now's your chance. Business or first class amenity kits
or Globe Guys mug.
Enter right now.
Bye.